So the next question is, using keyword analysis tool, find one primary keyword and two secondary keyword for the pages which you had identified earlier. So a little bit of review of the concepts. So see, what is the primary keyword? Primary keyword is the main keyword for which you want your page to rank. And secondary keywords are some other keywords which you want the page to rank for. Ideally, we should identify one primary keyword and 4 to 8 secondary keywords for a page, depending upon the content of the page and the search intent. So the process is this: from the seed keywords, we enter these seed keywords in various keyword research tools like Ahref, Google Keyword Planner, WordStream, etc., and get a list of keywords from them. From these list of keywords, we bucket them into various groups and shortlist them based on their search volume, based on their difficulty, based on other factors like traffic potential, cost per click, cost click per search, search volume, and so on. However, in our case, we'll only look at keyword difficulty and search volume, which are the two most important factors. So what we have to do is, first we'll copy these seed keywords from here and paste them in the keyword research tool, which for us is the Google Keyword Planner. Go to the Google Keyword Planner tab, click on Discover New Keywords, and just paste the seed keywords and click Get Results. Please ensure that the country which you have selected is India or whichever geography you want to target. You'll get a list of ideas here. You simply download the sheet and save it as a CSV by clicking on the arrow on the right hand side. So this is how the sheet will look. Let's remove the information which we don't need. We remove the first two rows. We will remove the currency. We will remove the monthly or yearly change, and all the other values like top of the page bid, bottom of the page bid, and so on. So we are left with only 4 columns. Let's look at them properly, which are keyword, your every monthly searches, competition, whether it's low, high, medium, and the index competition index value. So now we want to find keywords where the monthly searches is as high as possible and competition is as low as possible. For it, let us put a filter here and remove the keywords which have a search volume of, let's say, 0 or 50, or it's not available, and we'll get a set of keywords. We now have about 26 keywords, so we can go through them one by one and identify the ones which we like, right? So I went to the keywords and I have bolded the ones which are like gym business, gym franchisees, franchisee fitness studios, etc. So I have not chosen, let's say, Anytime Fitness franchisee, because organically it will be very difficult to rank a franchisee page for another brand. Okay. Similarly, there are, let's say, Cult Fitness franchisee. So these are people who are already looking for franchisees of Cult Fitness, right? So it is difficult for our page to rank. So that is why I have not chosen them. These might be relevant keywords when we are doing paid advertising, and I'll tell you that when we do Google Ads. So these keywords look a little less, they're only 5-6. I'd really like to at least shortlist 10 keywords for a page. So let's now look at search volume of 50, and then again I'll do the same exercise and shortlist some keywords from here. So here again I've highlighted few keywords like best gym franchisee, own your gym, starting a gym business, etc, etc. And now I'll delete all the remaining keywords and only keep the keywords which I have identified. Okay. How I've identified these is just by reading the keyword, I get a sense whether they are correct for me or not. For example, Planet Fitness franchisee, it's for a particular brand, so I don't want that. Gym marketing agency, again it's a marketing agency, so it's not the right one, right? Little gym franchisee, gym business, little bit gym, again seems like a branded, little gym seems to be a brand, right? And then there's gym business for sale. Okay, I don't want people who are looking for selling or buying a gym franchisee to come, right? We want them to open gym franchisee cost actually can be a relevant keyword. So just by reading the keyword, you get a sense whether it's right for us or not. And that is the only selection criteria from the search intent point of view at this point of time. We'll do a more research by googling these keywords, whether the intent is right or not. That is the next step. But right now, it is just by reading the keyword, you try to get a sense whether it's a right keyword for me or not. So these are the keywords which we have selected. I haven't really looked at the competition index value because I can see the competition is not very high, except for one term which is own a gym franchisee, where competition is 50. Other than that, it's all under 30, so it's more or less okay. So these are the keywords which we'll select and put them in our sheet. So we have this some keywords. The first one, which has the maximum search volume, we can make this as a primary keyword, or if we want, we can make this as a primary keyword, and the remaining can be secondary keywords. In the next step, we'll identify whether these keywords are correct or not by evaluating the search intent.